Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to learn how to generate images, yes, images from text using Adobe Express. Whether you're a graphic designer or content creator or you just want to add personal touch to your visuals, Adobe Express makes it easy for you to do. In fact, other sites or other platforms will even charge you for this, but Adobe Express is giving this to you free of charge. My name is Clement, team lead of Marketconnectph. Don't forget to save this video, like this page. Now let's get started. Finally, it's about to go down. So you go to your web browser, your Google Chrome or your Firefox, and type adobe.com/express. Maybe you are using an app, you can as well download the app and then you find yourself where you are going to register. So this platform is also an alternative to Canva for those of you who use Canva to create content as well. But today we are going to learn how to use Adobe Express to generate images free of charge. So you tap on Get Adobe Express Free, and then it takes you to this environment where you see this beautiful interface. So here we have text to image, right? Generate images from a detailed text description. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to ask for let me ask for generate Now that is my description, my text description. So let's see what it will generate. So you can see the images that it has generated. Now I need to also show us that you can as well choose the type of content that you want. So I come to type here where we have none, and then let me select photos. So let's generate again. Here we go. So we have an AI generated photos of my description, which is 70 years old woman with gray hair. So you see, this is actually amazing. If you want to generate picture that are of course license free and you are still finding it difficult to do, Adobe Express could come to your rescue. Just like Canva, with Adobe Express, you have a lot of options to play around with your elements and create stunning graphics for your audience. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and also save this video. See you in our next video.